Just a little tip. Because I'm just thinking about how I'm going to stitch this, and I might stitch this by hand or machine, but I find fabric can be a little bit thin these days. I'm kind of, because I'm getting older, my grip isn't quite as firm as it was. So what I do with a lot of the fabrics that I'm working on, at the end of working on the piece, I iron some soft interfacing onto the back. You can just see the white interfacing here. The number of the interfacing is F220. I'll put it in your materials list. It's basically a soft one that you'd use for interfacing collars and cuffs if you were dressmaking. It's quite soft and drapable, but it just makes the fabric a little bit more firm if you're going to handle it. So I don't really like using an embroidery ring because I find it scuffs the Bondaweb up a bit. So I use an interfacing just to make it a bit firmer so I can handle it more easily and it doesn't flop around so much. Hope you find that little tip helpful.